Micro Draco. I hear the turf. Show the turf real quick. I hear the turf. Alright, come back this way, right there. And then, you know, the guns on the legal. We out here on the turf, though, you heard me? I need to back up on straight. Show y'all how to really, how to, this bitch. You just, that bitch like that, then you, that bitch like that, and then you really fire. You can be leaning back and like that, though. Or you can be like, bitch like that, though, you heard me? It varies. Guns on the legal. Make sure your fingers ain't in the trigger. All right. All right, shoot. Shoot. Empty it.
There you go. Follow through.
Hold it. Quit letting that gun jerk so much. Quit leaning back. You calm down. You anticipating it. Go. You ain't empty. All right. It's on you, G. Cause I'm gonna get my mom out the house. All right. Oh shit.
All right.
Yes, Lord.
I'm gonna get my mom out the crib.
Cause I'm get my mom out the house. Click. Give me. Hold on. Do not touch the trigger. Reposition your finger up under there. Get a little tight up under the gun. No. Yeah, get up on it. All right. Yeah. Aim. Got a good grip? You ain't gonna, yeah. Get them thumbs right. You ready? Give me 2 shots. I said 2. All right. Aim. Do not touch the trigger. Aim. You ain't got. Why it took you so long? Give me another shot. Give me 2 shots. All right, aim. Get the finger off the trigger. You want to empty it? You got to shoot faster than that, though. What if he on your mama or something? You got to shoot fast, all right? But aim, though. Don't just wild shoot. Empty it. Aim. Empty it fast. Go, pull it. Quit leaning back. Empty it. Go. Get him off your mama. Get him off her. Get her. Go. All right. Now take the clip out. All right, take it out. Give me this. Take it out, decal. Thank you, sir. Micro Draco. I got about 10 left. Little sister just went crazy. Ain't want to save me none. I just want to let it ring one time.
My fault.
I just want to ring it one time. Alright. How you gonna shoot if you ain't cock it? Cock that mug. Alright, aim. Get a good grip. Alright, do your thing. Hold on, take the clip out.
Watch where you point.
Hey, put it in decal. I mean, take decal off.
Oh, it ain't saving none of my record.
I want to hear it rain, cuz. Give me like 7 fast ones. All right, cuz. I said 7. You at like 12.